Hi, we're going to demonstrate today on this Honeywell 6160 Alpha Numeric keypad how to add and delete user codes on a Honeywell Vista 21 alarm control panel. So to begin with, we're going to open this little door up so you can access the keypad, and just to begin with, this system you can have 48 different user codes on this system. That's kind of a commercial application, retail application where you can track employees coming and going. It's got an event log built into the system that will track the most recent 100 events, so arming of the system, disarming alarm triggers, things like that. To begin with, I'm going to just start talking about the basics of changing user codes and what its capabilities are. So again, there's 48 user codes. The location 01 is always used by the installing company as an installer code, which can only arm and disarm the system, or can only disarm the system if it had been armed using the installer code. If an end user code is used to arm the system or the quick arm feature is used, the installer code cannot disarm it. So it's a security feature built in by Honeywell. So the first user code location, then going to be what we use anyway at Froula Alarms, is called the master code. It's usually going to be in memory location 02, and from 02 on you can go all the way up to user 48. So to begin with, we're going to enter a 4-digit code followed by the code key, which is number 8, followed by the user or memory location. In this case it's going to be 03 because we already have a master code in there. And after you've entered the 03, you're going to enter your new 4-digit code, and that will actually add that code into the system, and it will give you a little extra tone at the end as a confirmation tone that yes, I accepted that code and everything should be working. But you always want to make sure that you can arm and disarm with that code. So we've just kind of went through how to add one to user number 3. We're going to go ahead and add another one. You would enter 1, 2, 3, 4 because that's my temporary code I'm using. Press the code key followed by a user or memory location, again in this case 04. Enter your new 4-digit code, and that will it'll give you the confirmation tone so you know it accepted it. One critical thing is you need to make sure that you don't pause more than 2 seconds between each keystroke that you do. If you make a mistake, you get interrupted, you pause, and it doesn't work, just wait 10 seconds and start over again from the beginning. Again, the sequence is your current master code followed by the code key, which is number 8, the user or memory location, it's 2 digits, 02 through 48, and then whatever you'd like that 4-digit code to be. That's just the basics of how to add user codes to this 6160 system, and that's it. If you have more questions, give us a call at 206-575-1962 or our website at froulaalarms.com. Thanks.